Hello everyone, Karen back to show you a couple of bonus features. These are certainly not things that you need to add into your websites, but things that if you are geeking out about this like I am, you might want the capability to be able to do. So I want to show you today in this video how to do collapsible text and how to insert an image carousel so that you can insert multiple images into a group that students can flip through. So let me go ahead and start by showing you collapsible text. I'm going to do this in the academic resources page of my Avid website. I'm thinking that what I'd really like to do for students is have a place where I post the weekly work, the work that they're doing each week. So here's, for instance, my week 1 Meet Your Community, and I imagine I'll have a few tasks in there and I could post a description. And I actually can insert links using this insert link button to the resources that they're going to need in order to complete those assignments, which I think would be great for absent students as well as if we're in this digital learning environment. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So I'm going to go over to the Insert tab in the side panel, and I'm going to choose Collapsible Text. And when I do that, it's going to give me a couple of places that I can add. In the first box, I'm going to go ahead and say Week 2. I'm going to imagine that we're building academic resumes this week. And then underneath, I can go ahead and start putting in my tasks. So task 1, I'll pretend I have 3 tasks here too, task 2 and task 3. And then what I'm going to find is that when I click out of that, it's going to show me the building academic resumes. And actually, I really want to make that a subheading. So I'm going to highlight that. I think that's the format I had before. It'll show me that heading, and then I can click on it to get to the tasks. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this up here, drag this up here, and put it under the week 1 Meet the Community. Now, my thinking is week 1, week 2, not such a big deal to see everything together. But by the time we get into I don't know, week 30, I don't want my kids to have to go through every task and resource in order to get that newest work. And I actually might even organize this so that I have week 2 above so that the newest is being posted first. I'll need to think about that. Okay, that's collapsible text. So the second thing that I want to show you is this image carousel. And I'm going to do this in the Meet Your Community page. I want to have a place where I can really celebrate my super cycle winners, this kind of crazy tradition that I have in my room where kids get selected each week to ride this little tiny bicycle with training wheels around the halls of Park Rose High School. I want to put in an image carousel, group of images of my students who are winners so that it can scroll through and we can celebrate everyone who's won super cycle winner this time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press the plus button. So notice I went to insert, I went to image carousel. Here's the press button to add my images. I'm going to select the image. I'm going to do that through Google Drive to have everything there, which makes it really easy. I'm going to go ahead and go to my recent because I put those pictures in there to make this a little bit easier. And then I'm going to select the images that I want to be able to put into this show. So I'm going to go ahead and select the 3 images that I have of my super cycle winners. And they're going to load into this image carousel kind of screen. And then these are going to be the ones I'm going to put insert. The ones that are going to show up when I publish. And I do want to publish this page to show you what it's going to look like. So view, review changes and publish. Perfect. Let me publish that sucker. Cool. And then let me show you what it looks like by going to the published site. So here's the published site. Now here's Meet Your Community. Here's my super students, and I can put in a description about what that means in a bit. And then if you can see this little next button, now I can click through the images and I can have them all in one place. So I don't have a huge panel of pictures. I just have one place where I can post those. So really liking this as a way to celebrate students, maybe posting classroom work. I don't be posting examples for assignments. I'm thinking there are multiple ways that we could use this image carousel. All right. So collapsible text, image carousels, use them if you like. Don't worry about it if you're already feeling like you have enough on your plate. You are welcome to ignore this one. This is bonus for you. All right, have a great time continuing to add your content.